Hold Freedoms was laid out with the mission to give admittance to stable money to each individual on the planet. Hold Privileges project emphatically accepts that excessive inflation can be annihilated. They worked and created monetary programming that can assist people with managing excessive inflation. SAVE was sent off in May 2019 after an underlying trade presenting at the Huobi Prime stage. Nevin Freeman and Matt Sr. helped to establish the organization. Hold Privileges create cash by taking an expense from clients who execute cash through their monetary application. How truly do Hold Privileges functions? Hold Freedoms is a double symbolic stablecoin stage got by a proof-of-work agreement component, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The SAVE application permits clients to move cash by means of a steady money. The worth of the coin is shielded from diminishing buying power, which intends to save the work and exertion of the proprietor. Hold stablecoin called a SAVE token is a digital currency keeping coordinated equivalency with US dollars. It very well may be spent like government-issued money or USD. Presently, RSV can be traded for the public monetary standards of Venezuela, Colombia, and Argentina with the authority Hold application. Later on, it is wanting to grow to all nations. RSV is a steady coin. Yet RSR is unpredictable. A uniqueness of SAVE is that other stable coins are upheld by USD held in a financial balance and oversaw by a steady coin backer. In any case, RSV is constrained by the repository of cryptographic money represented by Brilliant Agreement. According to current information, a fundamental stablecoin conveyed on Ethereum is upheld by a third USDC, a third TUSD, and a third PAX. The second is the Hold Privileges. RSR is utilized to keep RSV stay stable in its worth. RSR tokens are a utility resource. With the assistance of an intricate arrangement of decentralized exchange arrangements, it assists with keeping the cost of the steady coin to stay at the worth of the $1.00 cost target. Hold Privileges digital money is utilized as an administration token for the SAVE Freedoms stage. Individuals who own SAVE Privileges tokens can decide in favor of changes for possible later use Freedoms plans with respect to future turn of events. RSR holders can acquire by associating with the convention when the convention is totally live. As of the 2021 SAVE Rights Convention, Hold stablecoins are called R tokens. The convention permits any individual to make the steady coin. An R token will exchange at a market worth of the whole container that backs it. R tokens can be protected and produce income from value-based charges. This income is imparted to backers of security tokens. Each R token is represented independently with an alternate administration framework. The complete market cap is $228,392,585 with an all-out supply of 100 billion tokens. The flowing stockpile is 13,159,997,677 RSR, and the Hold Freedoms cost today is 1 cent. Breaking down the verifiable information of RSR cost on the day-to-day graph, the unequaled high at which RSR exchanged was 11 cents on April 16, 2021, while the most minimal cost at which RSR exchanged was $0 WAC 2020. Over the most recent half year, SAVE Freedoms gave the financial backers a huge misfortune. Crypto markets are consistently unstable in the midst of worldwide feelings. The RSR nature is additionally exceptionally unpredictable, and more dangers are implied since it relies upon different monetary standards and numerous different elements. SAVE Freedoms Specialized Examination. Specialized examination on day-to-day outlines shows that the ongoing cost of RSR is 1 cent with a 8.43% misfortune and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,817,332. The base value of the present exchanging meeting is 1 cent. And the most extreme cost is 1 cent. The RSR cost outline shows that the SAVE Freedoms cost has diminished from all time and exchanged sideways. Later on, in July, the morning star affirmation on the diagram started an upturn. RSR built up speed and covered half. Then, at that point, it saw a pattern inversion. Sell signals have showed up. RSR's cost tumbled from the help levels, framing worse low points with diminished volume. From the last May onwards, RSR cost is exchanging sideways. And on an equal channel, OBV isn't supported. It is fluctuating, yet brokers are not totally surrendering trust on Hold Privileges. On equilibrium volume is set at 4.65 billion. Change shows the vulnerability of SAVE Freedoms cost forecast. The cost of SAVE Freedoms has broken the close by help at 1 cent and moving towards the 1 cent support zone. The significant help is put at $0. In the event that the negative pattern pulls the cost of Hold Privileges underneath the significant help zone, it will be an obstacle for the coin. On the everyday diagram, the anticipated degree of adjacent obstruction is at 2 cents. If RSR USD breaks this level, the crypto will move to test the opposition level of 4 cents. The cost of SAVE Privileges needs to bounce the significant obstruction is set at 4 cents prior to entering the upturn towards a record-breaking high. The typical directional file is moving towards 21.2, showing a negative pattern. Despite the fact that Save Privileges attempted to break out after a W-design development on the graph, yet neglected to defeat the level. After the most elevated levels, it has executed a falling wedge on the graph. On the off chance that it breaks the level displayed in the picture, it will move towards an upswing. Specialized examination shows that it will move downwards for the ongoing meeting and a slight expansion in the following couple of days. Assuming that it neglects to break the obstruction, it will again turn into a downtrend. Save Freedoms USD is moving underneath its 20 MA, 50 MA, 200 MA, bullish as long as possible, in the midst of worldwide feelings. It shows the sell feelings in the digital currency market. Expect the pattern will change temporarily, and costs will move towards better upsides. Significant specialized pointers. For example, the general strength record and MACD are displayed in the figure. RSI is 26, showing negative energy. Numerous merchants are befuddled about the positions. The MACD line is likewise negative, and the ongoing value pattern might go on in the forthcoming exchanging meetings. Hold Freedom's value forecasts. 2022 to 2026. RSR is a piece of one of the remarkable ventures in the crypto biological system. The circumstance of some other digital forms of money can be changed whenever, even Bitcoin. In any case, Hold Freedom's cost expectation by the monetary specialist shows that it is a wise speculation choice. The worth of RSR will increment extensively in 5 years or less. Hold Freedom's value expectation 2022. Toward the start of 2022, the Hold Freedom's cost is supposed to exchange at 2 cents, and in the center, the obstacle of 2 cents will be crossed, and it might advance toward the greatest degree of 3 cents according to our Save Privileges value forecast 2022. The whole year, Hold Privileges is supposed to move at a typical cost of 3 cents and a base cost of 2 cents. Save Privileges value forecast 2023. Toward the start of 2023, it might exchange at the 3 cents level, and later RSR costs will cross 4 cents, which might be the most extreme cost of Save Privileges. While it might expect a typical cost of 3 cents, Hold Freedom's value forecast 2024. Hold Freedom's cost expectation shows that it will cross 5 cents in the year 2024, and it will end up being a wise speculation for the present moment. Later on, Hold Privileges is expecting speculations internationally and will extend its impressions to major crypto markets. Save Freedom's cost expectation for the year proposes the base and greatest cost perhaps 4 cents and 5 cents with a typical cost of 5 cents. Save Privileges value expectations 2025. According to our specialists, Save Privileges is supposed to get more resource base from now on, and our RSR value forecast is expecting that it might arrive at a most extreme cost of 6 cents. The cost might hang between 7 cents to 6 cents with a typical cost of 6 cents. Save